There are two special awards. First one, Best Researcher Award of the year 2024 to 25, selected on quantitative methods approach. This award is presented to the professors who have quantitatively shown great contribution in the field of research, publications, presentation, and participation in different seminars, conferences, faculty development program during the year. They have shown exceptional dedication and skill, significantly contributing to St. Xavier's College, Simdega. The Best Researcher Award includes a cash prize of Rs 10,000 to each recipient. Second one is Best Teacher Award and Best Supporting Staff, nominated by the students, sample size of 80 students, which is of 4%. This award is presented to the nominated professors and supporting staff for their friendly and healthy approach towards the students in teaching and learning and in the office, committed to duty and punctuality, care for individual and institution, playing and institutional leadership to give creative exposure to the students in the learning during the year. The Best Teacher Award and Best Supporting Staff Award includes a cash prize of Rs 10,000 to each recipient. The Best Research Award. First one, Ishan Tidu. Participated in Seminar 5, Conference 1, Workshop 2, Special Lectures 3, Faculty Development Program 5, Faculty Induction Program 1, Presented Seminar 2, and Article Publication 1. Thank you. The second one, Dr. Animesh Roy. Participated refresher courses, refresher course 1, presented conference 2, published article in journal 4, book chapter 2, edited book 2. Thank you. Third one, Hamram Marshall. Participated in Seminar 1, Conference 1, Workshop 1, Faculty Development 2, Faculty Induction Program 1, Presentation, Seminar 1, Conference 1, and article publication in Journal 1. Thank you. Next one, Amit Kumar Gupta. Participated in Seminars 2, Faculty Development Program 5, Presentation, Special Lectures 2. Thank you. Now we come Best Teacher Award, nominated by students themselves, with the sample of 80. First one, can you guess? First one, Assistant Professor Nimi Topno. Thank you. Second Best Teacher Award goes to Assistant Professor Jessica Niditiga.
मास्टर पार्टी आज तो पार्लर जाएंगे.
Thank you. Now, the Best Supporting Staff Award. First one, Mr. Wilson Billu. He is our officeman working in a scholarship office.
हम लोग का कहाँ है?
Second, Best Supporting Staff Award goes to Mr. Prakash Soreng.
इसको देने से लग रहा है अभी तो.
Thank you. Now the two awards are remaining. Department for Excellence. Department for Excellence. First one for the maximum number of departmental activities done by the department. Maximum number of departmental activities done. Maximum number of activities were 32 within a year. Goes to Political Science Department. HOD will come or the members. Yeah, come.
फोटो तो आएगा बोल रहा होगा.
Thank you.
वो देखो इधर की है, देखो.
Come here.
So 3 cheers for the Department of Political Science. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Yeah, good. Now, good. Now the last award. Okay, last award. Department for Excellence. The best activity report presentation by the department. Best activity report presentation award goes to Department of Geography. Professors.
क्या बोलते हैं?
का स्टोर से भी लिया है वाला.
हाँ सर.
बना रहे लग रहे हैं
Thank you, Father.
Department of Geography, hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
हो गया
चलो बंद कर देते हैं तो